Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Monday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, so I am back in the office in New Jersey. I traveled a little bit for some family reunion stuff this weekend. I was out in San Diego. It was good to be back home there for a few days. I'm back in New Jersey now, and back to our regular content schedule. So you're also going to see a lot more of us on social again. To be honest with you, we had a little bit of an issue with somebody stealing our stuff. And we had to rectify that. It's not totally rectified, but the bottom line is it's more important to me that I get good content out into your guys' hands than if some joker is chopping the front part of it off and passing it off as their own. I'll handle that, but I'm not going to stop putting out content just because of that. It's more important that you guys get good webcasts, good midday stuff, good wrap-up stuff during the course of the day, and to help you make better decisions. And for the subscribers, nothing changes in the room. And for those of you that want to come check us out, I think it's a great time to do so. The growth has been fantastic, and I think it's because people really find that when they trade this stuff, when they come in and learn how to do it the right way, that it's something they can be, that they can build some consistency with, which is great. Okay, so on to the market. Daily chart, and you can see the Bollinger Bands getting tight. I think this week is going to be about the ability or inability to take out the daily mid-band. They tried to convert it last week. It didn't work. They spent all day Friday above it, actually acted as support. The Globex low is at 70, trading basically in a 12-handle range. The new weekly pivot is down at 26.57. I think that's probably warrants a look. If it gets converted, then it opens up a move down to, never mind. The daily midband is at 26.60. Weekly pivot is 26.57. That said, I think that probably warrants a look early in the week. What the bulls do with it when it gets down there is going to be pretty meaningful. If they bounce it, if they hold it, then there really isn't much keeping them from going up to say 27.15, 27.20 and testing the upper band. Your Bollinger Bandwidth is down to 4.17 this morning. If it continues to compress, if we continue to knock around down here, then you're going to see compression, just like we saw back here, and then you're going to see some expansion. You're going to see these ranges widen up, and then, it's just the way of the world. We did not go down and see the lower band after going upper band, middle band. We held the 200-day instead, and that means for me the baseline assumption that I'm working with is that we are buy dips, and that any move down to 57 to 60 to test daily midband and to test the weekly pivot is going to, it's going to be a buy. It may be sloppy at the inflection point, but should be a buy. If they can clear 27.15, 27.20, then it's ripe for an upper band ride to retest some of these areas that we dealt with back in early to mid-June. That's what's on the table, and it's up to the bears to stop it. The only way the bears are going to stop it is if we start to live consistently below weekly pivot and daily mid-band. If you do that, then we end up going back down to 26.10, and we'll check out the lows from last week and see if they're the real deal or whether they can break them. Volatility is not going away. This two-sided trader tape's not going away, and we're not going away. So everybody have a fantastic day. I will be out with a midday update. I will talk to everybody then. Trade them well. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.